Please listen. Today I'm going to be talking about phonetics for English, speaking English. So I'll tell you all sounds that could be very interesting for you. So I'm coming to the first one. The sound here. This long structured C. Here. Alcohol. Here. Rows of 6. Here. Enemy. Here. Mechanical control. Here. Afraid. Rear, back part of something, beer, to change direction, mare, house small, cheer, joyful celebration, cheer, laugh at, cheer, to emphasize degree, near, close to, here, listen, where, long walk, near, walking smile, here, 365 days, face, bottom, rock, anger, babies, thick cloth, wrong, mistake, faith, the sound, shower, babies, light yellowish brown, bake, to heat, feel, realize, feel, replace, tell, fall down, fall, go downward, fool, complete, fool, stupid. This is short oo and this is long oo sound. Fail, unsuccessful. Fold, young horse. File, document. Foul, unwelcoming. Foil, spoil. Cat, animal. Pot, small bait for a single person. Cut, chop or piece. Her, good, abrupt coming. Her, a vehicle with 4 wheels. Here, rows of 6. There, food apart. Tour, journey. Banana, type of food. So these words will be very helpful for phonetics. I have focused here both vowel sounds and consonant sounds. This will be a general idea for all the students of English. That's it from here. Thank you very much for watching.